fx is this function which can be written in this form, and hx, where h is a function from R to R, set of real number to set of real number, and hx is equal to fx. Then we have to check whether h is 1 1 or not, h is onto or not, h is differentiable on R or not. Range of h. What is the range of h? This interval or this set? In the previous video, we have drawn the graph of y is equal to fx. Since hx is equal to fx, therefore graph of y is equal to hx will be same as the graph of y is equal to fx. This is the graph of y is equal to hx. Since there exists such a line which is parallel to this x-axis and intersect the graph at more than one point, therefore this is not 1 1. This h function h is not 1 1. Y coordinate of this point will be this number on y-axis. Y coordinate of this point will be this number on y-axis. Y coordinate of this point will be this number on y-axis. Y coordinate of this point will be this number on y-axis. Similarly, y coordinate of this point will be this number on y-axis. Y coordinate of this point will be this number on y-axis, and so on. As x coordinate increases, maximum height of the graph increases and minimum height of the graph also decreases. When x coordinate tends to infinity, maximum height tends to plus infinity and minimum height tends to minus infinity. Therefore, set of y coordinate of each point on the graph will be all real number present in the set of real number. That means all real number from minus infinity to infinity, which is denoted by r, Therefore, range of h is r. This is interval, all real number from 0 to height 1. No any number greater than 1, no any number less than 0. That means this is not equal to r. Therefore, this entry Q cannot be matched with this. This is a set containing only two numbers 0 and 1, not all real number. Therefore, this entry Q can also not be matched with this entry 5. This is not 1 1. Therefore, this cannot be matched with this one number. Since range is R, and it is given that H is a function from R to R. That means codomain of H is set of all real number, codomain set of all real number. When range is equal to codomain, we say that H is onto. Therefore, this entry Q can be matched with this entry 2. Q can be matched with this entry 2. Now we will check this entry 3. Since x square sin 1 by x is differentiable at all real x except x is equal to 0, therefore this h which is equal to f will be differentiable for all positive real x, positive real value of x. Since minus x square sin 1 by x is also differentiable at all real x except x is equal to 0, therefore this f means this h will be differentiable at all real number which is less than 0. But for positive x, h is given by this rule. For negative x, h is given by this rule. And at x is equal to 0, h is given by this rule. Therefore, we are not sure whether h will be differentiable at x is equal to 0 or not. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is the point of suspicion, point of doubt. Therefore, we will check differentiability of hx at x is equal to 0. hx will be differentiable when fx will be differentiable. Therefore, we check differentiability of fx at x is equal to 0. Left hand derivative is equal to this. f0 minus h less than 0. F is written by this rule here. This minus h, this minus h square will be cancelled and there will be left this. This is not indeterminate form. This is the form of tends to 0 times number fluctuating between two finite number, bounded between two finite number. This is not indeterminate form, its value will be 0. Similarly, right hand derivative x greater than 0, f will be written according to this rule here. This is equal to this. This is also not in any indeterminate form. This is also tends to 0 times a number fluctuating between two bounded finite numbers. Its value will be 0. Since left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative is equal to some finite number, therefore this function is finitely differentiable at x is equal to 0. At all other real number, it is also differentiable. Therefore, this function hx is differentiable at all real point in the set of real number. Therefore, Q will also be matched with this entry.